Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make the fluffiest Turkish pastry, which is better known as ACMA in Turkish. This is the first way to make it. If you want to see the second way, please see my other video. The link to it will be in the description box below. This recipe is the best for your breakfast or afternoon tea or just as a snack. Now, if you're ready, let's jump right in. Add 1 package of active dry yeast into the bowl. Then add 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1 cup of warm water. Now stir the mixture. Then add 2 cups of warm milk. 1 cup vegetable oil. This is the second cup of milk. Add 150 grams of warm butter. Add 2 eggs but spare 1 yolk. Add 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to stir them all and start to add the flour gradually. As in every yeasted dough, this is just gonna take a little while to form the dough in the desired consistency. Just be patient and continue to add the flour gradually, not all at once. Now I have the dough the way I want it, so I'm gonna wrap it up to double in size, and now it's ready. I think it took almost 1 hour for my dough to rise in a warm space. Now it is time to shape the dough. As you can see, I'm cutting the dough into small pieces. And then I'm making strips and twist them together. It's pretty easy. At the beginning, I cut the dough into 2, so this is the other half. Did you see what happened at the top right corner of the screen? After shaping them all, I'm gonna let them rise for about 30 minutes. And now it is time to brush the pastries with the egg yolk. By the way, there is something so gentle and caring about brushing the pastries. It is kind of soothing at the same time. And I've brushed them all. Now I'm gonna sprinkle sesame seeds over them. And they are ready to go into the oven. Now I'm gonna throw them into a 350° Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 20 minutes to bake up nice and golden brown. And here is the result. They are so warm and fluffy. And if you let them sit for about 10 minutes or so, it will be even better. My finger is burnt here. Here is another failed attempt to touch. As you can see, they are really soft and fluffy. Just serve them warm and you're gonna make your family or your guests really happy. You can put them in a plastic bag when they're still fresh and store them in the freezer for about 1 to 2 months. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you did, please hit the like button and I'll see you next time with another Turkish recipe.